Hello friends. In method overloading, we can not only change the number of parameters, but also the data type of the parameters. For example, instead of sending just an integer, we can send a string. Like I come here, I say John, which is my name, John. I'm sending John. As you see, I take an error. You see, the method display in the type main is not applicable for the argument string. So if I define a function who takes string parameters, so it works. So we will do that. I come here, I say string A or string name. It can be logical. So I say arguments, and then I use plus operator, and then I say name. Alright, let's correct this. I correct this. So let's run it. I come here, I run by using Java main Java. You see, the first function triggers this method, and then I print arguments 5, and then the second I call the function. So this method works because it takes string value as a parameter, so it works, and I print arguments John. So we are calling the same method name but with different data types. So based on the data type, the argument we sent. So based on the data type, the argument we sent, the correct version of the method is selected automatically. I don't do anything, just program to select it. So the method overloading works not only by the number of parameters, but also by changing the data types. As you realize, the method name stays the same, but based on the data type, a different method is executed. That's the power of method overloading. See you in the next lesson.